I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at how to attach the clean air decals from California to your electric vehicle. So I just got my clean air decal. I'm really happy about that. And this allows me to drive in the carpool lane even with just one person because I do have an electric vehicle. And there's some instructions for how to attach these. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. Just note there's two large decals and there's two small decals. Now the large ones are going to go on the rear quarter panel, so the back part of the car here, and then the small ones are going to go on the front of the car. So this is sort of on the side and the back. This is right on the front, kind of below the headlights. And once you put them on, they're on there forever, essentially. So you'd want to make sure you do it right. The other thing that's important is make sure you put it on the right way around. So as it says, the state seal in the up position. So don't flip them upside down. The words would be upside down then, so hopefully, that would make sense to you, but just keep that in mind. Okay, so here I am at my car. You can see I've got my rear quarter panel here. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the large sticker. Again, making sure to put the large decals on the back. It's got a backing on here. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off from the side here. Okay, there it is on the car. I'm just covering up the registration number because I don't want to share that publicly, but you can see that's on the back. Now let's do it on the other side. Looking good. I'm just gonna kind of smush it down. Now I did take the car to the car wash before doing this, so just make sure there's no dust or anything that's gonna get stuck under there. Got the back ones on, let's go to the front. Okay, we got our two small stickers there. Let's go ahead and attach those. So you can see I'm following what's in the diagram, which is basically to go on the front bumper just below the headlights. I've got my sticker on there. I'll do it on the other side. Okay, and we are good to go. It's officially a clean air vehicle. Make sure to take the actual little registration paper that should come with these stickers. Keep it in your glove box just in case. But this verifies that you're good to go through the carpool lanes.